Do you have dry brittle hair? Hi everyone, welcome back to Subi's Hair Care channel. In today's video, I'm sharing a DIY coffee deep conditioner that nourishes, strengthens, and adds shine to your hair. If you have been dealing with dry, brittle, or hair that is prone to breakage, this deep conditioner is perfect for you. So let's get right into the video. So guys, for this recipe we'll be needing 3 tablespoons of coffee, and we're adding it into our blender because we'll be using our blender to make our deep conditioner. Coffee stimulates scalp circulation. We're using 1 tablespoon of shea butter, deeply moisturize the hair, keeping it soft, hydrated, and frizz-free. We're also using 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, improves elasticity and reduce breakage. It's rich in vitamin A, D, and E. Now we're using 2 tablespoons of olive oil. It helps to soothe dry, itchy scalp, deeply moisturize the hair. And next we'll be using 2 tablespoons of honey. It supports a healthy scalp. It improves hair softness and shine and helps reduce dryness. If you don't have a blender to make this in, you can always use a bowl and a whisk to make this deep conditioner. So now guys, this is a mixture of flaxseed, hibiscus, and an onion that I made earlier up in the week. So I'm just adding it in there, and I am also adding 2 cups of boiling water. You can use any oil of your choice in this recipe. Tweak this recipe to what you know is good for your hair, because my hair loves different things than yours. And now we're adding 1 teaspoon of fenugreek powder. Fenugreek can help improve density and thickness over time. Now we're gonna mix this, and we're going to strain it out because we want to strain out the powders from the coffee and the fenugreek. Guys, if you've watched this far into the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section to let me know if you've ever tried a coffee deep conditioner in your hair and how your hair reacted to it. Now that we're finished straining our coffee mixture, we're going to add it back into the blender, and we're adding 6 tablespoons of our regular conditioner. You can use any conditioner of your choice that you know your hair loves, and the conditioner will add creaminess, slip, and additional moisture for soft, manageable hair. While I'm adding my conditioner into the blender, let me tell you some of the benefits of that this coffee deep conditioner gives our hair. It stimulates the scalp for healthier hair. It reduces dryness and breakage. It adds slip for easier detangling. It improves curl definition and softness. It boosts natural shine and overall hair health. Now that the coffee deep conditioner is finished blending, I'm just pouring it over into the bowl, and I'm checking the consistency, and it's a little bit too runny for me. It's not what I want. So I'm adding 6 more tablespoons of my regular conditioner inside of it. So overall it will be 12 tablespoons of conditioner that I add inside of the coffee mixture. So guys, you can make this recipe your own, make this deep conditioner your own by adding and making the amount that is good for the thickness of your hair and the length of your hair. Now I'm just adding my essential oils. I'm adding tea tree essential oils and peppermint essential oils. Tea tree essential oil, it helps with cleaning, keeping the scalp clean, and peppermint essential oils, it adds a tingling sensation to your scalps, and it also helps in supporting scalp circulation. And now that our coffee deep conditioner is finished mixing and everything, I'm just adding it to my I'm applying it to my daughter's hair. I'm applying it on freshly washed hair. This deep conditioner can be used in kids as well as adults. So while I'm applying the coffee deep conditioner to her hair, I'm applying it from the her root to the tip of her hair, but I'm trying not to get it onto her scalp because of the regular conditioner that is inside of it. And when it comes to your scalp, after you finish cleaning your scalp, you shouldn't be really adding anything to your scalp apart from the oil. If you add oil to your scalp, if you oil your scalp, which I would encourage you to oil your scalp, because when you oil your scalp and give your scalp a good massage, it really helps with hair growth, and it really helps also with length retention and blood circulation, and also it's a good massage for your scalp. So as you can see, the way how I'm doing it, I'm just applying it in. I have her hair parted off in 4 sections, and in each of the section I'm going in smaller section, and I'm making sure that her hair strands are coated with this deep conditioner. And this is one of my daughter's favorite deep conditioner because there is no residue. It's easy for her to go in the shower and rinse it out of her hair and get out. So we're going to continue this process all over her hair, and once her hair is fully coated with our coffee deep conditioner, we'll be using a plastic wrap or a shower cap or a paper bag, whichever one you have, and then you're gonna leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes, or if you have a hoodie dryer, for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water, and you'll immediately notice softer, shinier, and more manageable hair. See you in the next video.